What's up? What's up? Welcome to my little corner pocket of the universe. Grilling steaks this evening, so I thought, well, why not make a video about it? Michael Jordan. Could do that better in my prime, but still got it. Just moved into a new house. It's the backyard. Look at that. Just gorgeous. Staircase that goes up to the top. Some nice big oaks. Nice big old boys. So, neat thing about the kitchen. When someone's taking a shower, you can hear the water very loud. So I'm gonna have to talk loud. This might just be a new addition called Loud Cooking Show. So, first things first, we're gonna put oil in this. We're gonna take the oil from this container, the store-bought container, and put it in to this, also store-bought container, but it's glass, and it comes out easier because okay. Oops, spilled a little bit. That's fine though. That is fine. It's just gonna be a little slippery to the touch. But it comes out easier in this because it's got this nozzle. It's nice, cool little nozzle. So, just want to dribble a little bit of that. Not too much, but definitely more than you think. And then we're just gonna smother the seasoning into it. Really douse them up. We're actually gonna switch to an ancient technique. Fingers. Use your fingers and really get it in there. Massage it in. That's what makes them really juicy, guys. That's what's gonna get them really juicy. Okay?
Chat, did you know that Epsom salt can be used as a fertilizer? I was just pouring it into my bathtub and I look over and it says directions, fertilizer.
You're chopped. You're so chopped.
I honestly might die because that's weird.
Definitely cooked and chopped. So, recipe that I found on the internet for Blackstone steaks says when you... Is that going to overflow?
No. Bye! When you what?
Use garlic and butter as they're cooking. You guys could use this.
No, they're
seasoned.
talking about when it's like hot butter.
Huh?
They're talking about when it's like hot, like melted butter, and you're like...
I know, but we don't have any garlic, right?
No.
So just don't use any?
No.
There's this little kitty that has been coming by. Don't worry, I'll wash my hands again. Because you could have all sorts of filthy diseases, couldn't you? Put our steaks on. Use this so they're pressed down evenly. Want to press them down evenly, just a little bit. Let them sear for a minute or two. We're gonna put some of our garlic butter mix on top of it. You gotta take the temperature. We're going for about 125 degrees Fahrenheit. About 129. Very good. Ditto. All right. That's how you cook steaks. Thanks for watching, everybody. Woohoo! Now we gotta clean up. The best part. Am I right, fellas?